Welcome to Algeomulus Prep Academy. The lesson for today is tangent lines. Tangent lines are lines that only intersect or touch a function at one point. They are basically straight lines. In this problem, you have to find the tangent line to fx equals 3x squared plus 4. The first step is to find the derivative. By using power rule, the derivative is f prime x equals 6x. Then you plug in x equals 3 to find the slope, which is 18. Now that you've found the slope of the tangent line, which is 18, all that you need now is a point of the tangent line to form the equation. So by plugging in x to the original equation, you get y, which is 31. Therefore, you found the point 3, 31. You would then use the slope f prime 3 equals 18 and the point 3, 31 to find your tangent line. So use the formula y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, which is basically y minus f3 equals f prime 3 times x minus x1. Basically, we found everything that we need in order to form the equation. So f3 equals 31, f prime 3 equals 18, and x1 equals 3. So when you plug it into the equation, it would be y minus 31 equals 18 times x minus 3. Now all you have to do is simplify. So distribute 18 to x minus 3, which results to 18x minus 54. Then you would add 31 to both sides to get y on its own, and your overall answer will be y equals 18x minus 23.
In problem 2, I'm going to be using the function f of x equals 2x cubed plus 8x with f prime equaling 32 and x being greater than 0. So I'm going to find the derivative of the function by multiplying the exponent 3 by 2x and subtracting 3 by 1 plus 8 times 1, which is the exponent of x, and then that 1 minus 1 because the exponent of x is 1, which makes the derivative of the function 6x squared plus 8. So f prime is 32, and that means that 6x squared plus 8 equals 32. Then we solve for x and we get x equals plus or minus 2, and since x is greater than 2, x equals 2 only. And then I'm just going to write x equals 2 on the top and erase that. So f of 2, I'm going to plug 2 into the original function, and that's 2 times 2 cubed plus 8 times 2, which equals 32. And I'm just going to write that on the top. And then we have all of our values, and we can plug it into the tangent line equation. So I'm just going to be writing y minus y1 equals f prime times x minus x1. And that can also be written as y minus f of 2 equals f prime of 2 times x minus 2 because x equals 2. So y minus 32 equals 32 times x minus 2. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to distribute the 32 to the x and the negative 2, which equals y minus 32 equals 32x minus 64. Then I'm going to add 32 onto both sides, and I get y equals 32x minus 32. Thank you.
Find f of x for x is equal to pi in order to use this value in the equation for the tangent line. Then, find the derivative of the function using IOI, or inside, outside, inside. Remember that the derivative of sine is equal to cosine. Plug in pi for x into the derivative in order to get the slope for the tangent line. Now you can plug in all that you found into the tangent line formula. The tangent line formula is y minus f of pi is equal to f prime of pi times x minus pi. After plugging in the variables and simplifying, we found that our tangent line is y is equal to 4x minus 4 pi.
And class is dismissed. Thank you for watching.